In this video, I am going to review and give you an in-depth demonstration of Creaitor.ai Lifetime Deal. It is an AI writing tool that writes content for you based on the description you provide. This Lifetime Deal has been launched on AppSumo, and these are the features that this Lifetime Deal includes. So in this deal, you get 60 plus AI assistant tools. So I counted the total AI assistant tools and it has exactly 68 tools. I have already written a review article on my blog about Creaitor.ai Lifetime Deal. In this blog, I have included all the AI tools that you get with this Lifetime Deal. If you want to know about all the tools, then you can check that article. I will provide the link in the description box. You can create unlimited projects, unlimited output storage, unlimited translations, open AI form, translation form, multilingual. So Creaitor.ai supports 25 plus languages. So you can generate content in those languages too. You can even translate your generated content. In the single plan, you can generate unlimited characters per month. That means you can generate unlimited content for life. You can also add 5 active users to this plan. I will provide the link to this deal in the description box. If you follow the link, then you will get this 10% off option and you can get 10% discount. To be honest, it is an affiliate link. If you purchase from that link, then I will get some commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps me run my family. Now let's jump in. So this is the dashboard of Creaitor.ai. So here you can see all the AI writing tools available. You can also sort these tools using these buttons. In the left side, there is a menu. The first one is editor. I will demonstrate this option a few moments later. The second option is documents. In this tab, you can find all the documents that you have created so far. You can also delete the documents and create new documents. The third option is AI assistant. Here also you can find all the AI tools. You can also mark any tool as your favorite. And the tools you will mark as favorite, you will find them in the favorites tab. So here are the tools that I marked as favorite. The next one is output. So the outputs that you have generated, you can find them from here. You can also copy them, delete them, or mark them as favorite. The next option is translate. So you can translate any text from here. You can select from 27 different languages and translate between those languages. Now I will show you this editor option. So when you click on this editor option, it will create a new document. So editor is like a long form editor. Here you can create a full blog. Now here I will show you how you can create a 2000 words blog within couple of minutes. Suppose I want to write an article on how to start blogging. So to do that, I need an article outline. To generate an article outline, I will click on this AI assistant tab. And here I will select blog outline. And then I need to provide the topic that I am working on. So I will type how to start blogging in 2022. So it is saying that too short, write more for a better result. So if you give it a longer description, then you will get better result. So I will add steps to start blogging and how to earn money from it. Then you can choose the creativity level. So I will keep it optimal. You can choose how many outputs you want to generate. So here 3 is the default. So it will create 3 outputs. I can choose any of the 3 outputs. You can also choose tone of voice. So I will keep it friendly. And the targeted audience will be adults. And if you want emojis in your output, then you can check this box. But I don't want emojis, so I am just unchecking it. You can also select languages. Here are 27 languages available. Yes, I have counted it and the number is 27. You can choose any of these languages. For this time, I will generate in English. And when you are done, just click on create. So it will take a couple of seconds to generate the outputs. So here you can see that our output has been generated. and you can see that it has generated us 3 outputs. Now let's look into the outputs. So the first one says that if you are thinking about starting blog in 2022, here are the few things to keep in mind. Figure out what you want to write about, choose a platform. So once you know what you want to write about, it's time to choose a platform for your blog. There are many different platforms, so take some time to research. So the first one is not that much okay. So let's see what about the second one. Are you thinking of start blog in 2022? It is a great idea. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences. So the steps it has given us: choose a niche, find your voice. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to find your voice. What kind of tone do you want to set to your blog? Are you writing in an academic or in a casual one? The tone should be reflective to your audience and what. So the second one is okay. Promote your blog, earn money from your blog, find your niche, choose a platform, start writing, design your blog, pick a domain name. In the third one, we can see that it's pretty better than the previous tools. So I like the outline that it has created. It has created find a niche, choose a platform, pick a domain, design your blog, start writing. So the outline is pretty good. So to insert it in my editor, I just need to click on this button. So you can also rate the outputs. So I don't like the previous two outputs, so I will just give them thumbs down. This one is also thumbs down, but I like the third one. So to insert it in my editor, I will just click on this button. So you can see that I have inserted it in my document. So in the editor, you can customize your article, like you can bold texts, you can make them italic, you can provide heading. So now I will just keep them as it is. You can also use Creaitor AI to improve or rewrite your article. Suppose I don't like this line, so I will just highlight it and then click on improve. So this will again take a couple of seconds. So it has rewritten the line. So now it is, as the online content landscape changes, so too does the landscape of blogging. This is evident in the way that bloggers are increasingly using social media platforms to reach wider, as well as the way that blogging itself evolving to become more interactive and engaging. You can further improve these lines, but for now I will just keep it as it is. So this is the output that it has generated, and you can see the word counts here. So it contains 103 words. So now our blog contains 388 words. So now I will enlarge this content. So our first paragraph is find your niche. So now I want to add a couple of texts here. Suppose I want to add that the popular niches available in the internet. So to do that, I will again click on this icon, and now I will select blog body, and then I will provide popular niches for blogging in 2022, and I will delete this tone and the targeted audience, and then I will click on create. So here you can see that it has generated a lot of niches here. So between the three outputs, I like the first one most because it has included most of the niches available on the internet. So I will just click on this button to insert it into my editor. So the niches are here. So we were expanding this paragraph. So for this paragraph, this line is not that much relevant, so I will just delete it. But this line is good, this line is also good, and these are the niches. You can delete the blank lines from here, but for now I will just keeping it as it is for the video purpose. So the next one is pick a domain name. So your domain name is what people will type into their browser to find the blog, so it's important. So it has included where to buy a domain name, but it hasn't included that how to choose a domain name. So I want to add how to choose a domain name in this article. So again I will click on this button, and the AI assistant is blog body, that's okay, and the description will be how to choose a domain name. I will keep the settings as it is and click on create. So here you can see that it has generated us again 3 outputs. So between the 3 outputs, I like the first one most because it says keep it short and sweet, make it relevant, use keyword rich words, avoid common mistakes like hyphen numbers, steer clear. So these are valid reasons. So I like the first one. Be unique, check availability, register your domain name early. So to insert it, I will again click on this button. So it has been inserted. So I will just provide a new line here to keep it organized. So now our article contains 739 words. And the next one is and start writing. So here I want to include how someone can outsource their article writing. So to do that, I will again click on this button and I will provide how to outsource content writing. Now I will click on create. So these are the outputs that it has generated. So if I take a bird's eye view, then so among the 3 outputs, the first one is good because it says define your goal, do some research, set budget, be clear about your needs, get samples before you hire. So this output is really good. So to insert it again, I will just click on this button. Now the next thing I want to insert in my article is how to do SEO. So I will again click on this button and then here I will select blog body. And here I will provide how to do SEO. And in the settings, you can insert brand or company name and keywords also that you want to include in your article. So I don't have any brand or company now, but I want to include keywords. I will include SEO and I will keep the settings as it is and click on create. So Creaitor.ai has generated us 3 more results, and the first one doesn't look that much good. The second one is informative. Do keyword research, optimize your website's content, build backlinks, monitor your website's SEO. The third one is do your research, identify your goals, choose the right keywords, organize your website, promote your website. So the second one is good. So I will insert it. To insert, I will just click on this button. So here you can see that it has been inserted. The second one is really good, that it has also some bullet points also, like improve your website's loading speed, add alt text to images. So these are all real informations. So that's why I like it. So we have 15-20 words. So next I want to insert how to make money from a blog. So I will provide here how to make money from a blog and I will click on create. So these are the results that it has generated us. So how to make money. So AdSense, Amazon Associates, sell services, sell advertising space, sell products, then are you a blogger. So the second one is really descriptive, I think. No, I think the first one is better, like AdSense, Amazon Associates, sell product, sell services. But the second one doesn't have that much points. It has some repetitive texts also. So the first one is good. First one contains 259 words and the second one contains 734 words. I don't want to add this much of words for just one section of an article. So I am avoiding it. So I will insert this one. So it has been added. So in our article here we can see that we have got how to start blogging, the niches, then how to get article from the freelancers, and then it has how to do SEO, and then it has how to make money from that blog. And next I just want to conclude the blog. So to conclude it, I will again come here and I will select blog conclusion. blog conclusion. So here I will provide how to start blogging and how to make money from a blog, and I will click on create. So here you can see that it has generated these results. So among these three, it has, if you are thinking about starting a blog, congratulations, you are on the way of joining millions of people. First, it's important to choose a topic that you are passionate about, and the second one says being blogging can be a great way to share your thoughts. This doesn't look that much good, but this one is good. This one has organized paragraphs also, so I will insert this. And it also says, and finally, don't forget to monetize your blog. So this conclusion is really good, so I will just insert it. So here the text is inserted, so I will just make it another paragraph, and here I will provide conclusion. So now our article is 1944 words, so which is around 2000. So if you want to add more words, then you can just instruct the AI to write something more. Like you can insert how to connect domain and hosting. So if I want to add that, so in the domain section, I will provide a new heading, how to connect domain and hosting. And here I will again go to this icon and then select blog body, and here I will write how to connect domain and hosting, and then click on create. So the results has been generated. So if I look into the results, then the second one is really very large. I don't want a huge content, I just want a simplified section. So in the first one, so it says that first you will need to log into your hosting account. Once you log in, you will be taken to your account's dashboard. Once you are in the domain manager, you will want to click on the button add domain. Then once you have selected your domain extension, you will be able to choose a hosting plan. Once you have selected hosting plan, you will be asked billing information. After you have entered the billing information. So here it has described the whole process of buying a new domain. So it doesn't fulfill my need because it hasn't described how to connect a domain to a hosting. But in the second one, you can see first you will need to log in your hosting account. Then you will need to find the DNS settings. This is usually under the domains. DNS setting. Once you have found the DNS settings, you will need to add a new door. So this is the real process. So I just want to add this to the article, so I will click on this icon. So our content has been added. So now you can see that our article is 2128 words. This is how you can create a 20,000 words blog in just 15 minutes. Hope you have understood how you can use Creaitor AI and generate a blog. If you like this video, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.